Hello, and welcome to Slow English. Today's story is all about Anna. Listen to the whole story, then try our 10-question quiz to see how much you remember. Let's begin. My name is Anna. I am 25 years old. I live in a small town called Greenfield. The town is quiet and nice. There are many trees and a big park. The park has a lake where people go in summer. My family. I have a small family. My mother's name is Lisa. She is a teacher at a school. She teaches children how to read and write. My father's name is John. He works in an office. He uses a computer every day. I have one brother. His name is Tom. He is 20 years old. He studies at university. He wants to be a doctor. We live in a house with 3 bedrooms. There is a kitchen, a living room, and a small garden. My mother grows flowers in the garden. My job. I work in a library. I like my job because I love books. Every day, I help people find books. Some people want storybooks. Some need books for school. I also organize the books on the shelves. My favorite part of the job is talking to people. Many old people come to the library. They like to read newspapers and talk. I listen to their stories. My daily routine. In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I drink coffee and eat toast with jam. Then I take a shower and get dressed. I leave home at 8:30. I walk to work because the library is near my house. I work from 9 to 5. At lunchtime, I eat a sandwich. Sometimes I go to a cafe with my coworker, Maria. She is my friend. After work, I go home. I cook dinner. My favorite food is pasta. I also like soup. After dinner, I watch TV. I like funny shows. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. My free time. On weekends, I relax. On Saturday morning, I clean my room. Then I meet my friends. We go to our favorite cafe. We talk and laugh. My best friend is Sarah. She works in a shop. Sometimes we go for a walk in the park. In winter, we drink hot chocolate. In summer, we eat ice cream. I also like reading books. My favorite books are mystery stories. I read before sleeping. My pet. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She is black and white. She is very playful. She likes to chase toys. Sometimes she brings me small things like a pen or a sock. At night, she sleeps on my bed. She purrs when she is happy. I love her very much. My travels. I like traveling. Last year, I went to the mountains with my family. We stayed in a small house. The air was fresh. We walked a lot. I took many photos. Next year, I want to see the beach. I love the sea. I want to swim and sit in the sun. My personality. I am a happy person. I smile a lot. My friends say I am kind. Sometimes I worry about small things, but I try to stay positive. I like helping people. If my friend is sad, I listen to her. I give good advice. My childhood. I was born in Greenfield. My house was small but cozy. There was a garden with flowers. My brother and I played there. When I was little, I loved drawing. I drew animals and trees. My mother kept my pictures. She still has them. I went to school when I was 6. My school was near my house. I walked there every day. I had many friends. We played games at break time. My favorite subject was art. I was not good at math. Numbers were difficult for me, but my teacher helped me. In summer, my family went to the lake. We swam and had picnics. Those were happy days. My dreams. I want to learn new things. Next year, I will take a cooking class. I want to make delicious food. I also want to write a book. It will be a mystery story. I have many ideas. One day, I would like to have my own cafe. It will be a quiet place. People will drink coffee and read books. But most of all, I want to be happy. I want my family and friends to be happy too. A normal day. Today is Monday. I wake up early. The sun is shining. I eat breakfast quickly. Then I go to work. At the library, many students come. They need books for school. I help them. In the afternoon, it rains. Few people come to the library. I read a book. It is very interesting. After work, I buy groceries. I cook pasta for dinner. Tom calls me. He tells me about his day. I watch TV for 1 hour. Then I go to bed. Luna sleeps next to me. Today was a good day.
1. What is Anna's job? A. Teacher. B. Librarian. C. Doctor. D. Shop assistant. The correct answer is B. Librarian. In the story, Anna says, I work in a library. I like my job. I help people find books. 2. What is the name of Anna's cat? A. Bella. B. Luna. C. Mia. D. Coco. The correct answer is B. Luna. In the story, Anna says, I have a cat. Her name is Luna. 3. What does Anna like to do on weekends? A. Go to the library. B. Meet her friends at a cafe. C. Work extra hours. D. Stay home all day. The correct answer is B. Meet her friends at a cafe. In the story, Anna says, on weekends, I relax. I meet my friends. We go to the cafe. 4. Where does Anna want to travel next year? A. The mountains. B. The beach. C. A big city. D. A forest. The correct answer is B. The beach. In the story, Anna says, next year, I want to see the beach. I love the sea. 5. What was Anna's favorite subject in school? A. Math. B. Science. C. Art. D. History. The correct answer is C. Art. In the story, Anna says, my favorite subject was art. I was not good at math. 6. What does Anna's brother want to be? A. A teacher. B. A doctor. C. A cook. D. A librarian. The correct answer is B. A doctor. In the story, Anna says, my brother's name is Tom. He studies at university. He wants to be a doctor. 7. What does Anna usually eat for breakfast? A. Eggs and fruit. B. Toast with jam and coffee. C. Cereal and milk. D. Pancakes. The correct answer is B. Toast with jam and coffee. In the story, Anna says, I drink coffee and eat toast with jam. 8. What kind of books does Anna like? A. Love stories. B. Mystery stories. C. Science books. D. History books. The correct answer is B. Mystery stories. In the story, Anna says, my favorite books are mystery stories. 9. What does Anna's mother do? A. She works in an office. B. She is a teacher. C. She is a doctor. D. She works in a shop. The correct answer is B. She is a teacher. In the story, Anna says, "My mother's name is Lisa. She is a teacher." 10. What does Anna want to do in the future? A. Become a doctor. B. Open her own cafe. C. Move to a big city. D. Work in an office. The correct answer is B. Open her own cafe. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you next time.